Hi guys, this is me again, Kachyy Cjay. Is another week saying means is another content to be tackled. So for today's video, as you can see on the title of my vlog, we're going to share to you how to make catchy channel names. So I'm going to interrupt. If you're not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified in my latest video upload. So we shouldn't waste our time doing this intro. So in 3, 2, and 1, let's start this formal video. So guys, let's begin in our formal video in regards to how to make catchy names for our YouTube channels. So I have 5 in my list and it is based on my experiences and ideas. So guys, let's begin. So first in my list is make channel name using homophones. So ano nga ba yung homophones? So let's read its definition. Are words that sound the same but are different in meaning or spelling. So magka-sound siya guys, pero iba yung spelling niya at meaning. So for example, sis days. So yung sis na S-E-I-C-E is sakupin. Tapos days na mga araw. So yung pwede nating ilagay is sis days. Yung sis na sisi and days na pangalan. For example, yung pangalan mo is Daisy. So in short, days. Sis days. Another example, Macy. So May yung pangalan mo. Tapos yung apelido mo for example is si yung una. So pwedeng Macy instead of Macy. Pwede bang makita? So, third example, Mass You. Pwedeng ilagay nating Miss You. Parang Miss Universe. Pero yung Mass na M-E-S-S and U is guluhin ka. Parang more on distracting content. Kung yun yung gagamitin mo, names. Pang 4, wonderful. Pwede natin gawing Juan, there, full. So, Juan na pangalan, there na parang pagsubok, and full na parang tanga. So, one, there, full. Pero, yung name niya talaga, it originated in wonderful na W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. So, fifth example, delicious. So, pwedeng kung pangalan mo is Deli. Tapos, lagyan mo ng shoes. So, na-shoes na name din. So, delicious. Pang sixth example, amazing. So, for example, yung channel names mo is, yung content is puro kanta. Pwedeng lagyang amazing. Yung name mo is amazing. Amazing. 7. Religious. Pwedeng ilagay na religious. So, magkatunog din. Religious is, for example, yung mga content mo is about music, Christian music, mga Bible verses, mga ganyan. Pang 8, it will. Pwedeng ilagay na sa channel name mo na 8 wheel. For example, mga content mo is 8-wheeler trucks, yung mga ganyan. Mga 8 wheels na mga sasakyan. Pang 9, beautiful. So, pwede nating gawing yung channel name nating beautiful. Beau, tapos T na tsaa, and full na puno. So, beautiful. Pang 10, natawa ako dito. Marites. So, pwede nating ilagay na Merites. So, Merites. Pwede nating i-channel name to sa mga taong mahilig magluto. So, taste, panlasa, Merites. Pang 11, basic. So, bay and sick. So, bay is boyfriend and girlfriend. And seek is maghanap, parang naghahanap. Parang about love. 12. Medicine. So, pwede natin gawing med-day-scene. So, di ba, medtech. In short, sa medtech is med, araw, day, and scene, nakita. So, med-day-scene. So, parang ito yung channel name ng mga medtech. Pinapakita nila yung buhay nila. Pwede nilang ma-channel name to. 13. Pang 13 is writer. So, pwede natin ilagay na writer. So, write na pangalan, tapos tear na luha. Or pwede rin nasaktan or nahiwa, tear. 14th, movement. Pwedeng movement. So, may meaning yung movement. Kulay yung movement, guys. More on arts, pwede siya. Pwede siyang i-channel name in regards to artistic contents. So, guys, naputol. So, yung pang 15th is herbal. So, pwede natin gawing herbal. So, yung hair is all about hair. Tapos, val na name mo. For example. So, catchy din siya. So, may 15 ako na minention na examples in regards to homophones. So, let's proceed sa combinations. So, make channel names using combinations. For example, Carlo and Janice. So, for example, yung content nila is all about car. So, for example, lalagyan natin ilalagay natin sa channel name nila na Carnice. Is all about car and niece. Yung Janice. So, parang Carnice. Pero, pwede rin i-mention or sabihin Carnice. Another example, Howard and Mary. So, pwedeng ilagay natin sa channel names nila na How Mary. So, paano yun gawin, Mary? So, parang tutorial yung magiging contents nila. Another example, Farina and Peter. So, pwedeng ilagay na Perifet. So, Perifet. So, parang is all about animals. Another, Gary and Annie. So, pwede ilagay natin gamey. So, parang gamey is all about games, di ba? So, guys, pwede rin Justin and Nicole na gawing Just Cool. Di ba? Just Cool. Parang yung mga videos mo is nagpapakita ng mga coolness, ng mga ideas. So, next example, Philip and Alexis. So, lapses. Yung parang yung maging content mo is all about makeup or lipsticks, lifting. Pwede yan. Mga unboxing. So, may other example pa ako. Arvin and Cynthia. Vincent. Diba, yung all about pabango, mga scent. Yan, pwede natin ilagay na Benson. Mga unboxing din, pwede rin siya. Mga perfumes, yeah. Last example ko sa combination is Albert and Betty. Albet. Yung pwede nating ilagay na channel name. Parang bet siya ng lahat. Ganon. Mga ideas niya is pwedeng magustuhan ng lahat. So guys, let's proceed sa third way. Make channel names using nicknames or PALAYAW. So for example, Tasha, Pantasha. So pwedeng maging content mo dito is all about mga fictional stories. So second, Dadang Lamorosa. So pwedeng makeup yung maging content mo dito. Mayong Siklesta. So, pwedeng yung mga content mo dito is all about bikes. And mga journey nyo bilang mga cyclist. Maring Sosya. So, para yung Maring Sosya is all about talking, mga chismis, mga ganon. Nena Manghihena. So, Nena Manghihena is all about tattoos. Yano Fano. So, pwedeng Yano Fano is all about tutorials. Kung ano man yung mga pwede niyang i-content na makakatulong sa iba. Na nag-a-ask na, paano yun? Diba? Seta Passionista. Yung Seta Passionista is all about mga passionista ng mga tao. Kung ano yung mga pwede nilang i-refer na mga ideas about passions. Kikay Taray, pwede siyang maging makeup din. Pwede rin siyang all about hairs. Kung ano man yan. Ponso Uso. Yeah, all about passions din. All about uso kasi. Mga popular na mga stops. Nora Gora. Yung Nora Gora is parang Gora is go. Parang all about umaalis ka, parang adventurous. Adventurous. So, about adventures yung pwede yung ma-content dito in regards sa channel name na ito. So, let's proceed sa fourth way. Make channel name using positive words. Positive words. Dazzling Queen. Adventures We. Authentic Me. Hopia. So, Hopia is, for example, Hopia. You're hoping. Hopeful ka. Tapos, pwedeng yaya. Diba? Hopia. Hopiaya. Pero pwedeng Hopia lang. Wondrous Ma'am. Nakakahanga. Amazing Ma'am. Crafty Gay. Panny Vase. Gray Space. Yung gray space is parang yugto. Yugto ng buhay ni Grace. For example, gray space. Yun. Maganda rin siya. Parang mga chapters ng buhay mo. Yung nilalagay mo sa vlog na to. Shine Mind. So, yung mga ideas mo na pwedeng mag-shine sa iba din. Grind Mind. Mga games na magpapagana ng utak natin. So, yun. Yung mga example ng mga positive words. So, marami guys. Hanap lang kayo na magli-link sa characteristic nyo bilang isang tao at bilang isang content creator. So, guys, let's proceed sa last way, which is make channel names using screen name or real name. For example, pwedeng ilagay na Sarah Geronimo. Pero yung pwede rin natin ilagay na Sarah Asher Chua Geronimo Gudichiri. Pwede rin ilagay sa screen name na Sanya Lopez. Pwede rin ilagay natin na yung real name talaga niya, Shaira Lynn Ozuna Roberto. Another, yung screen name niya is Rian Ramos. Pwede rin ilagay na yung real name niya, Rian Denise Ramos Howell. Next, screen name niya is Nadine Lustre. Pwede rin ilagay yung complete name niya, Nadine Alexis Pagwe Lustre. So, correct niyo ako kung mali yung pagbigkas ko or pronunciation. Next is Marian Rivera. Real name niya is Marian Rivera Gracia Dantes. Yun yung real name niya. So, marami pa akong examples pero it takes time. So, yun guys. It depends na sa inyo kung pipiliin nyo yung screen name or real names nyo. So, maganda yung real names kasi para mas makilala kayo na ganun talaga yung names nyo. Hindi lang kayo gumamit ng mga alternatives. So, that's it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you learned something new and don't forget to like and subscribe and do comment if necessary. So thank you for watching, keep safe and God bless.